The seafood waterfront dining post welcome.
Say that. Say that again. All right, Katie. It's just blocked off, and it just says "Go to the Red Rooster." This is right where we come in.
It's their last desperate attempt to keep their family together.
Except in a puddle. It's fine. Go to the Red Rooster.
Go to the Rooster.
It's completely closed off. That's Aiden.
The last time this happened, it was 1928.
He's sick. He's sick. Pauline, best she's ever looked. I don't know who that is. That's Pauline's sister. Other people.
That's right, Julia. Now back to the weather.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain!
Probably.
Happy's probably like in the corner of this
Crying.
house just sobbing. Just sobbing uncontrollably.
No, she's probably fucking happy as shit. She's like, I don't have to do anything
ever again.
I get to clean all day.
You know, even if she had insurance on this, she wouldn't even have to keep the restaurant. She could just get a shit ton of money and live off that.
Yeah, it's my special bench that I smoke on, not in the right spot. No, it's Penka. Penka.
Okay.
Alright, Katie.
Holy fuck.
Here we go. Look, you can go inside if you want.
Shit, can you get all the alcohol, please?
Oh my god.
This is the deck. It used to be chairs. And the deck used to be like the size of this whole area. There's a beer bottle, of course. Chickie's probably getting drunk with his Mexican friends. You see, it's completely fucking destroyed. Completely destroyed.
You worked here at one point. Yeah, I worked here for 2 days. Oh god, look, cups.
Here's the lunch menus. Won't happen to be putting those in ever again.
Happy should have taken the TV. That's like really ridiculous.
There's a bottle of there's a bottle of something, but it's filled with
Grab it.
it's filled with grossness.
There's no alcohol. Look, we got ocean spray. Yeah.
Checkbooks. I still have to get paid for Sunday. Destruction. Gift certificate.
Blood orange bitter. What is that is? Oh my god.
This is the kitchen.
Take those seriously.
Is there any Chianti? No.
I wish there was.
This is the kitchen. Completely fucking. The light won't go on, so you can't see. But the kitchen's filled with shit. This is the bus station. No more bread oven. Magazines.
Your drawings are still here.
My drawings are still there. That's so good.
The times will change. Seawater change.
Did I leave any shit here?
There's a community deodorant. Look, there's $1.
No, that's Pepe's dollar. I drew Pepe on it.
Oh my god.
Oh, my Iron Man mask.
Perfect. We finally got it back.
Game of Thrones.
This is that.
It's Katie's, so I'll take it.
That's my hat.
Pokemon cards. Take those.
Probably buy a cake.
That's Pepe's.
You're not gonna take it. I don't want
No, I'm
it.
just kidding.
No. Tea bag.
Can you take this?
This?
No, this.
Julia.
And this. You can't take anything. Oh my god. How did this even break? This was inside.
The bathroom's fucked up too.
You guys need some salt, pepper, condiments, cinnamon.
Whoa. Ew. I'm like repeating it there.
You still have clothes in here now. It's filled with shit.
How? I'm so cold. Jesus Christ.
Just
The water
Christ.
probably flew up all the way to here. That's probably why.
Oh yeah.
Show us here.
This is all water down there.
I'm not going that way. It's the garden.
God, that's a fucking wall. Oh, they had the best cheesecake. Look, they tried to board up the windows. Made a huge difference. Huge difference.
Yep. Yeah.
Some glass. Well, I should take something.
Take a chair.
I should take a memory. If you guys want to try... Hold on, Katie.
This is insane.
Looking for something to take as a memory.
No, there's tequila sunrise and blood orange.
That's cute.
Stop it.
I don't want to take anything because I don't know if it's important. Alright, you guys want to try to get to where they keep all the liquor?
Where is it?
Oh my god, it's cold.
You have to go through the kitchen. Katie, I'm going to go.